It's November 3rd, and they are on to the second week of framing.
It takes a very strong man to put up a strong wall.
He had to grind away about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of stem wall in order to get this to fit. That's a strong wall right there. And then you sledgehammer it in. It's as easy as that. Man, a diamond blade on a grinder does the trick. And there's Manny. They're framing everything up. That's a shear wall right there.
Muy fuerte. Lots of framing happening right now.
There's the skeleton of what will eventually be our stairs. And there they are putting on the roof.
I am standing where our deck used to be. Look at this, I can touch the tree. It's getting to be the end of the night, but I'm so excited. I gotta show you guys something. We got stairs, hot dog. I'm walking up the stairs. I'm walking up to the second story. Hot diggity dog. Look at that. I just walked up those stairs. Now I'm doing a dance. Now you can't see me doing a dance, but I'm dancing. And now I'm walking down the stairs. I'm walking down these stairs. I just got built today. I'm walking down the stairs. I just walked down a flight of stairs.
What did we learn today? I learned about strong walls. Did you know about Simpson strong walls before today? Kudos to you if you did. I didn't. The 3 Simpson strong walls that we have are the heart of our framing. They flank the windows, and they're needed because most of our downstairs area is window, and glass is not very strong when it comes to supporting a second level. So now you know what strong walls are. They are what they are called. Hard to believe there's something stronger than wood. But I guess it's not that hard to believe. Steel is clearly stronger than wood.